In this video, I will show you how to use Adobe Firefly to generate text effects using AI. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Adobe Firefly is their new platform that has some really powerful AI tools to generate images, text effects, and drawing portraits. Here I will show how to use the text effects tool of Firefly to generate some really cool font designs and text decorations using AI. For now, it is in beta phase and you will need an invite to access it. But in a few days everyone will be able to use it. Getting started with it is quite easy. Go to adobe.firefly.com and then open it from there. It will show you some already generated text designs that you can explore. To generate your own, simply type the text to decorate in the box. Next, you need to define the style that you want. You can describe your effect with full details and then hit enter. It will now take a few seconds and will generate the 4 different variations of font effects for your text. You can now go through the generated designs and see which one meets your needs. Additionally, you can select some different font styles for your text from the sidebar. It will automatically adjust the text effect for the new font. Similarly, you can proceed further and then select a background color for the generated text. By default, the text effect is generated on a transparent background. Select any color and then set it as the background. Later, you can also set a foreground color. Finally, when you have the final design, you can share it with the community. Or, you can simply download it on your device as a high-resolution image. This is it. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.